Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn how to restore the default admin URL or admin path in Magento 2. So you can see that in the previous video we have changed this admin path from the command line, from the Magento 2 configurations, from the code level also. So now we are going to restore back to my original URL. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do it. So there is a command, so we are going to write it now. So here we can see with the admin URL, so you can use custom 0 and use custom path 0. Admin URL we haven't changed it. Now we can change the use custom path. I have used the custom path, right? So you can run both of them. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. It is there, then it is going to be could not open file input file bin Magento sudo php bin Magento. There is an issue with this one. M is caps. Admin custom does not exist. Okay, this is we haven't done anything to this. Okay, now we're going to add this one, Magento custom path. Okay, so here we're going to add sudo php pin Magento config set use custom path. Admin URL customer does not exist, verify and try again later. URL is not there, config set. Okay, it might be like we haven't go with the, you can see that we haven't done this from here, I guess. Stores configuration and go with the advanced, then we have a admin, then we have this one. If we go with this one and we will use this one. Okay, so I think if I go with this one command, last one custom path, still it's not working. Let me check this one, why we are not, this is not working. Let me see this part. I think there is an issue in the previous. Let's check the local host, php myadmin. So here we go with this one. Let's check whether the files are there or not. So it's Magento 5. Let's go with the core config data, core underscore config. Okay. Let's search with the last options. I think we have enabled. You can see that admin URL custom path is 1 and use custom is 0. So custom path is there, it's 1, and custom URL is this one. So let's see what we are checking it out. So here we are adding admin URL, admin URL. So it's admin URL. It's not u is not there. Okay. So what we have to do is, if you go with this one, let's make it u small. It says all are small, I guess, right? So what we have to do, we have to just replace with this one, and we will make the custom use path to be 0 and it will use the default path, right? So here we go with this for the entry. This is done. So by default my custom path is not this one. Okay, the dashboard I am logged in. Reload this. It is right. I'm going to my previous URL. This is admin bh. Okay, and it's still admin bh is not making up. Let's make it the another one custom path we have done. Then we can use custom. Okay, use custom only. Use custom. So here we go with use custom and make it URL. Okay, value saved. Okay, let's reload this. If it is value saved, let's run the upgrade and all. Let's see. So let's paste it, then add the permissions. Done. Let's reload it. It's still not there. Why? So what's the URL it's picking up? Let's see. Admin test. Let's see. Admin test because it's still there in here part, right? So it's getting from this part, right? So if we change this one, so it will revert back to the new URL, right? If I go and change this one part, this one, so it will go back this one part, right? So you can see that this is how we can switch back to the previous URL what we have done from the configuration from this one. So, but this part they are going to get from this part. So you can use this resetting part from the command line, right? So any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.